Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use PayPal on Fortnite Vbucks. PayPal is a convenient and secure payment method for purchasing Vbucks through the Epic Games Store. Before you begin, make sure you have a verified PayPal account with a valid payment method linked and an Epic Games account. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Now sign into your Epic Games account, then go to Account. Next, open Payment Settings. Here under Add a Payment Method, select PayPal, then sign into your PayPal account when prompted. After that, review the permissions and authorize Epic Games to use PayPal as your payment method. Now save your payment method. Next, open Fortnite or visit the Epic Games Store. Then select the Vbucks package you want to purchase. Now proceed to the checkout page. Here choose PayPal as your payment method. Then review your order details. After that, click Pay Now or Complete Purchase. Once the payment is successful, your Vbucks will be added to your Fortnite account automatically. If PayPal doesn't appear as a payment option, make sure it's supported in your country and that your PayPal account is properly linked to your Epic Games account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.